So I'm not really good at showing, but I did show my business idea. But not so good. But this is in regards the flower shell that I created a video earlier. So this is a product called, this is just an idea. This is called a bomb. This is called Better Bomb. Yes, Better Bomb. Spells BOMB. It works like a bomb. Like you can, like, if you know Piccolo or Pop Up, the one that you yung pag New Year, pag hinagis mo, it will pop. So that's the idea here. Let's write it down. Pop, pop, pop. It works like pop, pop. And then the idea here is yung laman niya are flower seeds, or either bird's feed and cat grass. So instead of polluting the environment or noise pollution, you would help the environment in such a way that nagkakalat ka ng flower seeds or bird feeds or cat grass. That's why I call this better bump. Bump is something that is negative, but this time we make this called something like pop up in a better way, in an innovative way, but helps the environment. Sustainable product. I don't know how to make this one, but if I ever see this and you have an idea how to make this, you can do it.